So I don't know if this bothers you as much as it does me, but this has been driving me crazy, and I finally figured out how to fix it. So when I grab a window and I start to move it around the screen, I get all these little boxes that keep popping up. Ever since I switched to Windows 11, this has been happening, and I don't like it. So I figured out how to fix it. Okay, so what you want to do is hit Windows I, come down to Multitasking, and then you've got the option for Snap Window. There's a few different options here. When I snap a window, suggest what I can snap next to it. Show snap layouts when I hover over the Windows Maximize button. Show snap layouts when I drag a window to the top of the screen. Shows my snapped windows when I hover over the taskbar apps in task view and when I press Alt Tab. When I drag a window, let me snap it without dragging all the way to the edge of the screen. You know, every single one of those I want to uncheck, so guess what? Turning it off. Let's see what that does. I'm back to normal. This is great. Hey, if this helped you, click like and subscribe.